How does a salvage title affect your car's value after an accident? Imagine buying a car only to find out it has a salvage title. That little label can change everything about how much your car is worth and what you can do with it. When a vehicle gets a salvage title, it means an insurance company declared it a total loss because of severe damage. This damage could come from a big accident, flooding, or vandalism. Usually, the damage is so serious that repairing the car costs more than its current value. Once a car has a salvage title, it cannot be driven or insured normally until it is repaired and passes a state inspection. After repairs, the car gets a rebuilt title, which means it is now roadworthy. But even with a rebuilt title, the car's value drops significantly. Typically, a vehicle with a salvage or rebuilt title is worth between 20% to 40% less than a similar car with a clean or clear title. This is because buyers and insurance companies see it as a higher risk. They worry about hidden problems or structural issues that might not be obvious even after repairs. From an insurance perspective, having a salvage title affects your coverage options. Many insurance companies do not offer full coverage on salvage or rebuilt title cars. You might only get liability coverage, which covers damages to others but not your own vehicle. If collision or comprehensive coverage is available, it often comes with restrictions or costs more. If you do make a claim after an accident, the payout might be less because the insurer considers the car's diminished value. For example, if your car is worth $20,000 with a clean title, it might only be worth $12,000 with a salvage or rebuilt title. Premiums also tend to be higher for cars with salvage titles. Insurance companies see these cars as more likely to have future problems, so they charge more to cover the increased risk. This means owners of salvage or rebuilt cars often pay 20 to 40% more in premiums. When you try to sell a car with a salvage title, expect it to be harder to find buyers and to get a lower price. After an accident that results in a salvage title, your car's resale value drops sharply. Insurance options become limited, and premiums go up. It's important to keep detailed repair records and understand that your car might depreciate faster than a similar one with a clean title. Knowing this can help you manage your insurance claims better and make smarter decisions about your vehicle after an accident.